Hi guys, today's video is based on custom list creation in Excel 2013, and here I have a list which I'm going to create it. It can be till any number like 50, 100, maybe more than that, but this is a sample list which I created, and I'm going to show you by the two ways you can add your custom list. One is through the options, through the file option, another way through the sort and filter options. Okay, and here's my YouTube channel, Server Engineer. You can like or the video and subscribe my channel, as well as if you have any video, which any content, any technical video which you don't find it on YouTube or any other platform, you can ask me for the same. I can create on that. And today's tutorial is based on completely on Excel. Okay, so I'm going to start right now. First of all, let you go to click on file menu, options, and advanced options, and here we have an option which is called edit custom list. In general, here we have a custom list pop up all the options and windows. Here we have all the custom list predefined by the Microsoft, like month and weeks. When we enter any other like Sunday, Monday, and Jan, Feb, so it will only come how it will come. That's the way it will come. And I'm going to create my new list here. Just click on import range option is there. So if I click on this option and I select this range, and if I import, it will add it. You can see here my custom list is presented in the form. To press it OK, again you have to press it OK. Now your custom list is created. Now if I write on the keyboard like at, and if I drag, it will create it. But if I like write cat or hat in this way order, it will also work in this order as well. If I write in another order, which is not that, it will also work in the same way. Okay, so this is the one way which I show you, or creating a custom list in Excel. Another way which is sort and filter. So if I click it here, you can go to custom list, but here you can't there's an option which is import range is disabled. It can be only available from the file menu, file file options. Okay, here like I write random names like Rakesh, Dinesh, Harish, Rajiv. Add, to add it. If I click OK, now again it's added. Okay, it added. You can simply cancel it from here. And if I write like Rakesh, it's not case sensitive at all. You can write it in any of the like Dinesh, Harish, Rajiv, it will reflect. And if I write Rakesh in uppercase, the first letter is, now you can see it reflect. It doesn't matter. Like if I write the first letter which is in small cases, it will show all the names in small cases. If I write in uppercase, in a correct upper order the first letter. So it's all up to you in whichever the uppercase or lowercase which you wanted to write it. So these are the both the ways by you can create your custom list in Excel 2013. And if you like my video, Kindly like and subscribe my YouTube video and my channel. And thank you so much. Have a nice day.